Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable LibreWolf Browser to start automatically when your computer starts in Windows. This way you can save time and jump straight into browsing every time you log in. Let's get started. Once LibreWolf is open, click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the browser to open the menu. From the menu, select Settings. In the Settings window, scroll down to the General section. Look for the option that says, Open LibreWolf automatically when your computer starts up. Simply toggle this option on. Now, LibreWolf will automatically open every time your computer starts up. To confirm it works, restart your computer, and you should see LibreWolf launch on its own. And that's it. You've successfully set LibreWolf to open automatically when your computer starts. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.